guys, DK here from KaroroCAD. This is the 1st of July 2024 update of the KaroroCAD tools for Rhino. And what we're going to cover today is some changes to the comparison tools and the addition of ghosting, or the ability to check a design against another one that you are working on. So the first thing you'll notice with this new update is there is a new tab, this Compare tab, and the design or the comparison tool, which used to be under the at the bottom of the Size tab, is now here at the top of the Compare tab. So we can launch this, and I can open a local file that we can compare to. So maybe we'll look at this 12 meter or this 10 meter AR 5.0, and so we can open this up a little bit, and this tool just allows you to compare the differences in these kites as you go down this list. And the differences are listed to the side here, and all of the parameters of the kite are listed as we go down. Now, what you can do, and as you make changes to the stock kite, let's just change the name of this to 10 meter test. You'll notice it's we still have the kite name here as just Karoro base. You'll need to hit the refresh for this to update. So this refresh button has been added to this release, which was missing. You previously would have to close and reopen this tool to actually see any changes that you do on the kite. So that's probably it for this update there. We go back to the Compare tab. You'll see we now have the ability to open ghost files. Now, to create a ghost file, first thing I'll do is we'll check our desktop. You'll see I've got a number of kite files saved to my desktop here, and they have matching ghost files associated with them. To create those ghost files, you simply have to, when you export, so we'll do this, we'll save this as the 10 meter test kite, and we go back to our desktop here. You'll see that we have our 10 meter test kite and we have our 10 meter test ghost. So this ghost file is actually a live link to the 3D geometry that you're currently working on. And let's say if we what I have open here, so I also have this this 10 meter AR5 kite, a 5-strut kite, open on my on another copy of KaroroCAD. I can, under my Compare tab, I can open a ghost, and if we pull up this 10 meter AR5 ghost, we'll end up with this this kite ghosted over our current design. Now we have the option to leading edge reference, or if we remove the leading edge reference, this is actually the same orientation in Rhino as what this kite is sitting. The leading edge reference, if I just go to a wireframe in my right hand view, my leading edge reference just puts the center point of the leading edge of both kites in the same location, which just, especially in a wireframe view, allows you to really see the differences between the two designs. Now you also have the ability here to change the opacity of the ghost, and if you pull this all the way down, you'll have a wireframe view, or all the way up for a solid render of that ghost kite. You can also change the color of the ghost kite if you need a better contrast between that and your current model. So turn this back down to about 50%. Turn this back to red. Now the live link is if you have saved a current file that is open, and you have that the ghost file that's from that currently open file opened as a ghost in another copy of KaroroCAD. We go here. Say I'm just going to make this a little smaller and push this to somewhere where we can see it. We can grab this copy of, let's say we take this up, something dramatic, we take it up to 15 square meters. Our kite has recalculated here to 15 square meters, the 5-stroke kite. And if we turn off the wireframe here, we can see that live updated the ghost. So you have this ability to communicate design intent from two currently open versions of KaroroCAD. However, but also as you save the file, if you've finished with a particular kite design, this ghost file remains. These ghost files remain, and they remain available for you to open and use in the future. However, they won't become live again until you reopen the kite file and resave it. You also have the ability to open multiple ghosts. So I can add, say, a 12-meter kite in here, and we can even add a third one if required. Let's go this one here. So now we have our stock kite and 3 ghosts open, and we can compare between those files, including the ability to do live updates. Okay, I think that pretty much covers the updates to the comparison tools for this release of KaroroCAD. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below or email me at karorocad@gmail.com. Thanks very much.